and today we're gonna take you on our track zone ride.
And it's going to be a POV.
Okay, let's go. Murciélago in a separate video on our channel, but I'll say it again. This is our Lamborghini Murciélago LP640. It has a naturally aspirated 6.5 liter V12 with an X-Pipe, makes over 640 horsepower. It has a 6-speed sequential transmission, and listen to this. In our Z06, and he will tell you something about this beast.
So today we're sitting in Chevrolet Corvette C7 Z06. Lucas is back behind me in the Murciélago, and as you know, this is directly imported car from USA. We're here in Czech Republic, and as you know, this has 650 horsepower, it has ceramic brakes. I'm not driving Z06 as much, but today we have decided to make a video, as many of you have requested in comments actually, but I'm not even wondering, so let's enjoy the ride and let's go. there's like Grand Canyons in USA and stuff like that, I know. But how it looks here, it's mostly magical. Okay, those roads are not it, but still love the nature here, and it's home for us, so that's why we haven't moved yet. There are a few roads that are bumpy and not perfect for this car or even Murciélago. Not even, but you know what I mean. But when you know where to go and which way to take, then it can be really beautiful. Upside of this car is that you can drive it on like spirited roads, even when quiet, and also you can have a little roar like this. Yeah, this is a short road, so full throttle is not the way to go here. By the way, we're on the way on an airstrip, and you have seen the Revuelto video that we have made. And we're gonna do some funsies there with those cars as well. Oh, those. Well, cyclists are not a favorable thing to meet on the road, and definitely not with these cars, but we have to deal with it here. And I'm not even surprised they're taking these rides here, because this is beautiful nature. You can see beautiful lakes like this. I know there is also Canada, which is known for the most lakes in the world, I think, but still, this is not bad. But this is a really small country as well, and it's not really easy to fly under the radar. So, whoa, what? Oh shit. Well, we have to deal with these things as well. Nothing to do about it. We're gonna have to stop here for a while. There is a red traffic light. Oh well, I don't mind. Real. So I hope you liked this video, and if you liked it, leave a like and comment and tell us what you like to see next.
Yes, and also look at our another videos like Revuelto and X5 with Murciélago. So thank you very much and goodbye.
Bye.